welcome back, and today I'm gonna share some very important Java coding questions which may come in your section B of Java coding, which is on tomorrow, 19th March 2025 ICSE board examination. So let's begin. The very first code is OOP based code. This is very important. I'll give you some questions which are the board questions, and those are very important to solve, which are these questions. So this question 6, which was asked in 2014 board examination, here's the question. Then in 2015 also it was asked. Then in 2016 this question, the book fair. And then in 2017 this electricity bill question. And then in 2019 in this showroom question. So these questions are very important, and the question 3 in your section B is based on OOP based questions, which are nothing but this kind of questions. The second type of question is the constructor based questions. The questions which I just showed you, it had like both the parameterized and the non-parameterized constructor. So practice those, and these two questions will be sorted for you. Then the next is pattern. This is very important. Every year one pattern is there. In your syllabus you have these kinds of pattern. First is a triangular pattern. These two kinds of triangle, one inverted and one like this. Then a square, a rectangle. Then number based patterns, either the same number, the repeated numbers. And this triangle is a bit tricky but very important. So logic of these triangles is very important. I'll show you a few here. Here is a sample question for printing patterns. The this one triangle and the inverted triangle. So this is the logic for the first triangle. It will be applicable for the symbols wala triangle and the numbers wala triangle too. And this one is for the second wala triangle, the inverted one. And अभी next type है double dimensional and single dimensional array. Again very important. See, single dimensional तो easy है, but double dimensional में तुम्हें diagonal का sum आना, right and left both, and उनका sum of columns, sum of rows. इस पे based you can get various types of question, and उसी को then competency बोल देते हैं. So it is very important to know the logic behind finding the sum of diagonal, which is this. This is the logic for finding the sum of the left and right diagonal in a double dimensional array. So J and K refers to the for value. जो हमारा for loop होता है उसके variables J and K. And yes, you can refer this. So next we have sorting and searching. ये तो very important, क्योंकि एक शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन इन दोनों में से कोई एक आ ही सकता है, या तो सॉर्टिंग का या तो सर्चिंग का. एंड उसमें भी बबल सॉर्ट, सिलेक्शन सॉर्ट एंड लीनियर सर्च एंड बाइनरी सर्च, यही हमारा सिलेबस का पार्ट है. सो दिस इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. एंड हाँ, सॉर्टिंग and searching for numbers and for string is different. Like the logic is same, but while comparing in number we use double equal to, while in string we have the functions of the string, so that we have to use. I'll show you. So this is sorting on integer number, and here's the logic. You have to remember this is very important. That was selection sort, this is bubble sort, and this is also for integer number. Just see the logic and try to remember it. Then we have linear search, again for integer number. And here's binary search. for integer numbers. Now this is selection sort for string, and the logic only required here is this, the function used in string. Same goes with bubble sort with string, you can see here, and this is linear search in string, and again here we use the function equals ignore case. Now we have different kind of numbers. So every year there is one kind of number which is asked in boards. So these are some numbers which are actually asked. You can just practice them. You can remember the logic of palindrome and pronic, because इस पे based बहुत सारे numbers घुमा फिरा के पूछ सकते हैं. So here are some lists: pi number, palindrome, Mucha number, cyclo number, pronic number, then how to find a norm of a number. And last but not the least, the VDD table. It carries 2 marks. It is very important. For every code you have to draw this with pencil, but write it with pen. Draw it with a pencil and a scale. Here is a sample VDD table for a question. In next video I'll share some short theory questions for section A, which will help you to score 40 on 40. So bye bye.